PDA Parts presents the Palm Treo 600 Take-Apart. Warning, the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this at your own risk. Turn the unit over. You will find 3 rubber feet inside the holes that will need to be removed. Using a Torx driver, now remove the 4 screws. Note, the largest of the 4 screws goes by the antenna. You can now remove the antenna. Using a case opener tool, slide the edge of the case opener tool along the side of the unit. Turn the unit to the other side and use the case opener tool to pop open the case. You are now able to open the back of the case. There are 2 screws that hold the motherboard in place. Remove those at this time. You are now going to remove the ribbon by popping up the tab and sliding the ribbon out of its socket. You will now remove the motherboard and the screen together as one piece away from the front plastic. With the motherboard and screen away from the plastic, you will now remove the ribbon attached to the motherboard to release the screen from the motherboard. Please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com.